Hello everyone, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'll show you exactly what you should do right after installing Windows 11 to make your system faster, more stable, and fully ready for daily use. If you just installed Windows, don't skip these steps. Without proper setup, some apps may not work correctly, performance may be low, and important settings may be missing. So make sure you watch till the end, because by the end of this video, your Windows 11 will be fully optimized and ready to go. Let's get started. Step 1. Update. Windows. The first and most important step is to update your system. Before you begin, make sure your PC is connected to the internet with a stable connection. Now go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Install all available updates, including optional updates if they are available. This step is very important because it fixes bugs, improves performance, and ensures compatibility with the latest apps and drivers. Sometimes apps may not open or work properly if your system is outdated. The update process may take some time, so be patient and let it finish completely. Once done, restart your PC. Step 2. Install drivers. Next, make sure all your drivers are properly installed. Right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Check if you see any warning icons. If you do, install the missing drivers using Windows Update Optional Updates or from the official manufacturer's website. For best performance, especially for gaming or graphics tasks, install drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Step 3. Activate Windows. Now check if your Windows is activated. Go to Settings, then System, then Activation. Activation unlocks all features and removes system limitations. Step 4. Remove bloatware. Windows comes with some pre-installed apps that you may not need. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Uninstall any unnecessary apps to free up space and improve system performance. Step 5. Set Power Mode. To boost performance, go to Settings, then System, then Power. Change the power mode to Best Performance. This is especially useful for low-end PCs. Step 6. Adjust startup apps. Some apps start automatically when your PC boots and can slow it down. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Or search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Go to the Startup Apps tab and disable apps you don't need at startup. Step 7. Install essential software. Now install the essential apps you need for daily use. For example, a web browser like Chrome, a media player like VLC, compression tool like WinRAR or 7-Zip, and any other software you use regularly. Step 8. Enable security settings. Make sure your system is protected. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Enable virus and threat protection. This helps protect your PC from malware and other threats. Step 9. Adjust display settings. Right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. Set the correct resolution and scaling for your screen. If you have a high refresh rate monitor, make sure it is properly configured. Step 10. Create a restore point. Finally, create a restore point. Search for Create Restore Point and open it. Click Create and save a restore point. This allows you to restore your system if something goes wrong in the future. And that's it. Now your Windows 11 system is fully updated, optimized, and ready for smooth performance. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and check out more helpful tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.